Hello everybody, today in front of me I have TCL 30SE smartphone, and let me show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, open up the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Opera. In front of a needed app icon, just click on the install button. Wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. It will not take a lot of time, so we'll just wait. Alright, now all that it's left to do is to open the app and configure some of the first launch stuff. So here we gotta click on continue. Here we'll choose if we want the ad blocker to be enabled from the start. I'll enable ad blocking. The same goes for the tracker blocking, and skip the set in Opera as the default browser step. And we are all set already. So that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!